All right, good morning, boys and girls. It is Wednesday, September 9th, and we are going to do our morning work. And we also want to say happy birthday to Andrea. Um, your birthday is on September 9th, so that's very exciting. So we want to say happy birthday to you. And so, boys and girls, remember you have the same types of emails as each other. So first name, last name, and then all of it's the same after that. So if you want to wish Andrea a happy birthday, just do one email, please, because we don't want to have too much going on in our emails. But if you want to wish her a happy birthday, that would be wonderful. Andrea, I hope you have a great day, and I can't wait to be able to celebrate everyone's birthdays when we get back to school. So I hope you have a wonderful day. We're going to go ahead and start correcting our morning work from yesterday. So we are on page 13, and we're going to go ahead and you can grab a pencil or a pen, a red pen if you need to, and we're going to correct this. So if you've made any mistakes, I want you just to go ahead and fix them on the page as we are doing it. Also, remember that if it's going too fast, to go ahead and push the pause button to give yourself a little time to catch up. All right, so we were talking about making the words in the sentence plural form. So Toya saw wild, this is one horse, we need to have more than one horse. Wild horses running in the field. I think my pen is getting a little sleepy. There we go. There's one teacher. All of the teachers are outside. Okay. There are lots of, this is one branch, so we want to say more than one branch, branches on this tree. So those are the correct answers that should be in those spots. Yesterday we went ahead and did this one, and we rounded it to the nearest hundred. So that's 400. So we're looking at 785. So we look at the 8, and that decides that we're going to go up to the nearest 100. So it will be closest to 800. So we're going to write in 800 is the nearest 100. Okay. We read a little story about sun rays can be harmful to your body, but there's ways to say, excuse my tongue, to stay safe in the sun. So we were going to write a title that tells the main idea. So we probably all could think of our own title of a different title that we could use. So when I'm looking at this, I could say, staying safe in the sun is fun. That would be my title. Staying safe in the sun is fun, because having a sunburn is not fun. You could have a lot of different titles. Sun safety, safe in the sunshine. Any title like that has to do with our story would be perfect. Write one thing you do to protect yourself from the sun. I'm going to say, I use sunscreen and sunglasses to protect my eyes, to protect, so this is, we're doing our complete sentence, myself from the sun. All right. If you need to, make sure you're pausing so you can get these down. You can pause. You can copy my answer if you would like to, or you can have your own answer. We all might do something different in the sun. So some people might want to stay under a shade tree or something whenever they're out in the sun. All right, so our next page today, we're going to go to page 14. Let's go over this one and then we will correct it tomorrow. So the top part under language says, read the clue, then write the answer from the word box in the plural form. So we can't have any singular. So right now we have lady, city, butterfly. Now, we will get to this when we do our grammar lessons eventually. We aren't going to be doing that right now, but I just want to tell you that whenever you have this Y at the end here, and there's a consonant right before it, so we have a D is a consonant, a T is a consonant, the L is a consonant. We're going to drop the Y, so take out the Y, and we're going to add I-E-S at the end of the word. Just a little hint there. So they fly through the air on a sunny day. What would that be? They might wear gloves and hats. What would that be? They often have cars, buildings, and streets. What would that be? All right. So you just write your answer in these spaces right here. Under math, it says round the numbers to the nearest 100. So remembering our 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, go down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, go up. So 708 is between 700 and 800. What would be the nearest 100? 564 is between 500 and 600. So if you want to, you can write underneath these the hundreds that would be nearest to them. This one might be a little difficult. 900, 1,000. So write your answers to the nearest 100 on the space. All right, and so the bottom one, read the text, then answer the items. So 12 says, circle the main idea of the text. So in here is going to be a sentence that kind of gives us the main idea, and we're going to circle it. And then number 13 says, write one kind of milk you have tried. Write one kind of milk you want to try. Okay, so let's go ahead and read it. Do you like milk? Some people do, some people don't. However, people may not realize that there are many different kinds of milk. Cow's milk is a popular drink around the world. People also drink goat's milk, camel's milk, and sheep's milk. You might be surprised to know that some milks don't come from animals. Rice milk, coconut milk, and soy milk are made from plants. So circle the main idea of the text. You'll find what is this mostly about. And then, have you tried any of these milks? Is there a milk that you haven't tried that you've heard about that you'd like to try? And it could be a milk that you know that isn't even in our story that you could write in there. And we will correct this tomorrow. You can rewatch this video if you need to, so that you get your answers down correctly. And we'll correct this page 14 tomorrow. And I hope you guys are doing a great job and having a great day as well. I'm really proud of you. I think you guys are working really hard.